Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters we're going to start with. The chapter multiply fraction and the lessons we're going to cover today are multiply two fractions using model, multiply two fractions scaling whole numbers by fractions. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is multiply fractions. So let's just start with the lesson multiply two units using models. Multiply two fractions using models. Let's just start with the lesson. Okay, use the model to find the product. You have to find the product 1 over 4 times 1 over 4. So basically, you can see here the model has 4 columns 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? And out of 1 is colored, so it will be 1 over 4. Got it? Then the second one is the model has 4 rows and 1 out of 4 row is colored, so it would be 1 over 4. 1 over 4, again the shaded region represents 1 by 4. So the model has one shaded column and one shaded row. The part that shaded columns and directly overlaps represent the product 1 by 4 times 1 by 4. So it would be just 1 and the total colored are 16. Got it? So the correct option is 1 over 16. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, use the model to find the product. You have to find the product. So you have let's just count the rows first. Okay, let's just see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So it would be 1 over 4. Then you have 1 and 2 rows. It would be, and 1 is colored, so it would be 1 over 2. Got it? Now you have to find the 1. It would be, the total is 1 because just one of them is overlapping. Got it? So it would be 1. And 4 times 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to count the total columns. So it would be 1 over 8. The correct option is 1 over 8. It would be 1 over 8. The correct option is 1 over 8. 4 times 2 is 8. It would be 1 over 8. Okay, use the model to find the product. So which is the correct option? 1 by 2 times 1 by 4. So the correct option is 1 over 8. Got it? You have total 8 columns and just one of the column is the one that is overlapping with both the colors. So it would be 1 over 8. Okay. Use the model to find the product. So which is the correct option? One of the line is missing here. You have 3 lines. Got it? It would be this. Got it? You have to calculate the product, so it would be 1 over 15. You have just one column is the one that is overlapping with both the colors, and you have the total 15 columns, so it would be 1 over 15. Use the model to find the product. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 over 20. The total columns are 20 and just one is the one that is overlapping. So it would be 1 over 20. Use the model to find the product. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 over 9. 1 times 3 times 1 by 3 times 1 by 3 is 1 over 9. Just one of them is the one that is overlap with both the color. Okay, use the model to find the product. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 over 16. The total columns are 16, so it would be 1 over 16. Okay, use the model to find the product. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 over 10. The correct option is 1 over 10. Okay, use the model to find the product. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 over 25. Got it? It would be 1 over 25. Okay, use the model to find the product. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 over 20. Got it? Just one of the column is the one that overlaps. So it would be 1 and the total are 20. It would be 1 over 20. Use to find the Use the model to find the product. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 divided by 15 because just one of them is the one that overlaps with both the colors and the total blocks are 15. So it would be 1 over 15. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is okay, the next one is multiply two fractions. So how do we multiply two fractions? 1 by 4 times 1 by 4. So multiplying fractions is very easy. What you have to do, you just have to do numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. Got it? It is 1 over 4 times 1 over 4. You have to do numerator time numerator, denominator time denominator. 1 times 1 is 1 and 4 times 4 is 16. So it would be 1 over 16. Let's just start with the practice questions. 1 by 2 times 1 by 2. So which is the correct option? You can see here 1 by 2 times 1 by 2. You have to do numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. 1 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 2 is 4. So it would be 1 over 4. Got it? Correct option is 1 over 4. Multiply 1 by 5 times 1 by 5. So which is the correct option? One times 1 is 1 and 5 times 5 is 25. Very good. It would be 1 over 25. Okay, the next one is 1 by 4 times 1 by 5. So which is the correct option? Yes, you have to do numerator time numerator and denominator time denominator. So 1 times 1 is 1 and 5 times 4 is 20. So it would be 1 over 20. Okay, 1 by 3 times 1 by 5. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 over 15. Got it? The correct option is 1 by 15. The next one is 1 by 5 times 1 by 4. So which is the correct option? 1 times 1 is 1 and 5 times 4 is 20. So it would be 1 over 20. 1 by 2 times 1 by 5. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 over 2 times 5 is 10. So it would be 1 over 10. Correct option is 1 over 10. Okay, the next one is 1 by 5 times 1 by 3. So which is the correct option? You have to do 1 by 3 times 1 by 5. So it would be 1 over 15. The correct option is 1 over 15. The next one is 1 by 2 times 1 by 4. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 over 8. 1 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 4 is 8. It would be 1 over 8. 1 by 4 times 1 by 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, it would be 1 over 10. Sorry, 1 over 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, the next one is 1 over 5 times 1 over 2. So which is the correct option? It would be 1 over 10. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is, okay, that would be the last lesson of the chapter. And the lesson is scaling whole numbers by fractions. So fill in the blank without multiplying. You don't have to multiply. You just have to answer what we have to do. Got it? See here, it would be 6 times 1 by 4, and you have to compare it to 6. Got it? So when dividing 6 by 4, here you have 6 and here you have 6 times 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means you are going to divide 6 in 4 parts. And so 6 times 1 by 4 is less than 6. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Let me just, okay, you have to compare 8 times 1 by 3 to 8. Okay, here you have 8 times 1 by 3, you have to compare it to 8. Just look at these two things carefully. It would be 8 times 1 by 3. That means you're going to divide, if you multiply them, it would be 8 over 3. That means you're going to divide 8 by 3. But here you have a complete 8. So 8 over 3 is less than 8. This would be then greater than this. So 8 by 3 is less than 8. Got it? Correct option is less than 8. Okay, the next one is 7 times 1 by 5. You have to compare it to 7. 7 times 1 by 5. You have to compare it to 7. Just multiply, it would be 7 times 1 is 7 over 5, and here you have 7. 7 divided by 5, you're going to divide 7 by 5. It would be obviously then less than 7. 7 is a complete whole number. So 7 over 5 is less than 7. Got it, everyone? 7 over 5 is less than 7. Okay, the next one is you have to compare 6 and 6 times 2 over 3. 6 and 6 times 2 over 3. Here you have 6, and here you have to multiply 6 times 2 is 12. 12 divided by 3, that equals 4. That means 6 is greater than 6 times 2 over 3. Got it? 6 is greater than 6 times 2 by 3. Okay, the next one is 3. You have to compare 3 and 3 times 1 by 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, 3 is greater than 3 times 1 by 4, because 3 times 1 by 4 means you're going to divide 3 into 4 equal parts. So 3 is greater than 3 times 1 over 4. Okay, 1 times 2 by 3 and 1. So which is the correct option? 1, 2 by 3 is 1 times 2 by 3 is 2 by 3. And 2 by 3 is less than 1. Got it? So the correct option is 2 by 3 is less than 1. Oh, sorry. Okay, you have to compare 4 and 4 times 2 by 3. So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? 4 is greater than 4 times 2 by 3. Got it? Because that would be the whole part, and that would be 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 divided by 3 is 2 point something. Okay, 7 times 4 by 5 and 7. So which is the correct option? 7 is greater than 7 times. Yes, very good. So 7 times 4 by 5 is less than 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is 6 times 1 by 4 and 6. So which is the correct option? Thank you so much for your compliments. You guys are also very good students. It would be 6 times 1 by 4 is less than 6. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. And also we are done with the chapter multiply fractions. So we were working on grade 5 maths. The chapter we're working on is multiply fractions, and the lessons we have covered today are multiply two unit fractions using models, multiply two fractions scaling whole numbers by fractions. So these are the list of the lessons we have covered today. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. If you have any question, any confusion, please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. We have still 10 minutes, so you can ask questions if you have any. I am here to answer all your questions and confusions. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone. You have question? Okay, please ask question if you have any. Grade 8 today? No, grade 8 is tomorrow at 5 p.m. We are just left with grade 6 for today. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.